Hello, this is Cyber. Today I'm going to talk about how to make your computer talk. Okay, I created the program. I'm going to type in a word like hi. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, it should be able to talk now. Okay, okay. First, edit. Okay. Type in the text. First, open Notepad. Then type the text DIM space text comma space SAPI. Then hit enter and go text equal input box parentheses semicolon yeah parentheses a semicolon I am cool or anything would you like to say. It could be like hello dragon, then quotation mark in parentheses hit enter set sapi equal capital C create object together no space parentheses semicolon and then sapi.SPVoice quotation mark parentheses space sapi.Speak text, and that should create your file name program. It'll look like this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button for my upcoming videos. Goodbye.